Hello and good evening from a very rainy and dark services in Exeter. We have just popped down from Bristol to go pick up this wee beastie, which is going to be our Bristol VolksFest official build. Mr. Spencer, good afternoon.
Good evening.
Good evening. What you picked up, mate? Not just any beetle.
Baja.
Baja!
Be much like catching them swans, man.
Yeah, the BVF build, the jungle, the general.
The general!
What is it, Spence?
It's a Baja! It's a f***ing silly idea is what it is.
They're the best.
Last time I had a silly idea like this, it cost me thousands. Also, was putting the ratchet strap on this way was a silly idea at all. Having a laugh. Right, hey!
Funny ha-ha or funny baha? Sound like the blind Blessed. No, Brian Blessed, there you go. One's alive! Oh wow.
So plugs out, battery on, drain the oil, fresh oil, plugs out, fill the bores, leave it for an hour, put battery on, crank the plugs out. Bah!